Dear students, today we are going to read chapter number first, that is computer networking. In this lesson we will learn about computer network, advantage of network, computer and other devices, transmission media used in networking, types of network like PAN, LAN, MAN and WAN, types of network based on topology, bus, ring and star, network devices, network interface card, modem and hub, gateway and router. Okay, so let's see. Introduction. Networking is the practice of linking two or more computer devices for the purpose of sharing data and other resources. Okay, what is networking? Networking is the practice of linking two or more computer devices. When we link two or more computers to each other, that is called networking. Okay, networking is the practice of linking two or more computer devices. We can connect the computers through wireless or physical media. Physical media is included cables and wireless media included waves like infrared, microwave, etc. We are aware of computer network as we have studied about internet in earlier class. It's time for a quick recap. So you will solve these fill-ups. After that I will provide you an answered PDF of these fill-ups. Next, what is computer network? A computer network is a collection of computers and other resources like printers, scanners, software, data, etc. connected together so that they can communicate with each other. A computer network is a collection of computers and other resources like printer, scanner, software, data and etc. In the network, all computers are connected to each other and they can share also these resources like printer, scanners, software and data. Suppose that you have a single printer and you have 5 computers, so you can share the single printer among the 5 computers. So all the computers can use the printers. Okay, the computer that is connected to a network is called a workstation. When a computer is connected to a network, that is called workstation. A computer that is not connected to a network, that is called standalone PC. Okay, a computer that is connected to a network, that is called workstation, and that is not connected, that is called standalone PC. In a network, a server is the computer that provides some services to all the users connected to the network. A server usually has a large storage capacity as it stores files, data and programs shared by user of connected computers. Okay, so what is server? Server is a computer that stores the all of the data that are traveling on the networking. A server is a computer. Server store the all data. Server store the all of the data and the users. The users can access the data according to need. So server has a large storage capacity also, so server can store the large data. Advantage of networking. What are the advantage of networking? There are several advantages of networking computers. For example, we can share resources like printers, data, etc. and save money. This is also beneficial for us. We can resources like printer, data and money, so we can share the single printer among the 5 computers. That is the most advantage for us. We can share a single internet connection among many computers. Yes, this is also right. We can share single internet connection among many computers. Okay, we can share single connection among many computers. So introduction is complete. Okay, and computer network is complete advantage of networking. Next, we can communicate through email, chat, video conferencing, voice over internet protocol, etc. We can communicate through these devices. We can play games that allow multiple users at a different computer. This is also correct. We can play the games through networking. Suppose that you can take an example of the internet. Internet is a also network of networks. When you play the game with your friends, so how it is possible? It is possible behalf of networking. As all the data is present in one place, the server, so it is easier to backup data. You can also easily backup your data because your all data is present on the server, that is a single computer that have the capacity to store the large amount of data. Next, transmission media. What is transmission media? Transmission media, there are two types of transmission media. First one is the physical media and the second one is the wireless media. When we send data from one computer to another, it is carried by a transmission media. Transmission media are two types. First one, physical media. Physical media means tangible things. Tangible things means you can see, like wires and cables that carry signals. For example, twisted pair cable, coaxial cable and fiber optic cable. These are the physical media. Wireless media. Wireless media means intangible things like infrared, microwave and satellites that carry signals. They send signals through air or space. Okay, so in next class we will read about the physical media like twisted pair, coaxial and fiber optic cable, and also we will read wireless media. Till that you will revise this is what is computer network, what is computer networking, okay, what is the benefit of computer networking, or you will solve these fill-ups also. After that I will provide a solution PDF.